Hi, my name is Peter Chirico from Chirico Physical Therapy and Wellness, and today we're going to go over the four main types of heel and foot pain problems. Um, this is essentially if you're struggling with heel or foot pain, or you're having reoccurring episodes from uh, uh, failed previous treatment approaches. The important thing to consider with this is that we need to find out what the root cause of the problem is and treat that and not chase the effect. A good example of this is if there's a fire that goes off in your house, the first thing we get up and do is go out and find out where the fire is and put it out. And then later we'll turn off the fire alarm. Well, the body's the same way. When you feel pain, that's your body's fire alarm. Um, and What we need to do is work together to find out what's causing that fire alarm or your pain to occur. If we can solve that, what's really the reason for it, where it's coming from, and then provide the treatment based on that, the pain will go away and resolve and not come back. So the next step in this is for us to understand the different types of pain or conditions that can cause pain in these areas. First one is plantar fasciitis, that's on the bottom of the foot from the heel to the mid-arch area. The second one is tarsal tunnel syndrome, similar area. Third one is ankle sprains. Fourth one is radiating pain from the low back or SI joint area that can be isolated just down in that area. Um, and Those are the four that can cause pain. So if you're having heel and foot pain, the important thing is to solve the root cause of the problem. Once we do that, we design a treatment plan based on that for your particular case. And that will be the most effective treatment for you. The problem today is a lot of people go in and get standard care where they've missed the root cause. They've chased the effect rather than the cause of the problem. On top of that, standard care has deteriorated so much. You're lucky if you see your therapist more than once a week, or even the same therapist. And in the meantime, you're treated by unlicensed aides and techs. So, well, I hope that's not you. But if we can be of help to you, please let us know. Our phone number is area code 909-345-3370, or you can contact us through our website, Chirico Physical Therapy and Wellness. We'd be more than happy to talk to you. I hope this video has been of help to you, and I want to thank you for your time, and I want to wish you a good day. Bye-bye.